And there is no end to war of words between the opposition and the Election Commission. The leader of opposition in Lok Sabha has attacked the poll panel over the 2024 general elections and alleged that the 2024 Lok Sabha elections were rigged. Rajnath Singh has dared Rahul Gandhi to detonate the vote theft atom bomb claim. Here's a report.
जो हमें मिला है वो एटम बॉम्ब है, मतलब एटम बॉम्ब है, फटेगा तो आप इलेक्शन कमीशन आपको दिखेगा नहीं हिंदुस्तान में.
This was the promise. And this was his delivery.
We are going to prove to you without any doubt in the coming few days how a Lok Sabha election can be rigged and was rigged.
In fact, Rahul Gandhi claims that even if 10 to 15 Lok Sabha seats were not rigged, Modi would not be the Prime Minister today.
You will see the shockwave that is going to go through the electoral system when we release this data. It's literally like an atom bomb. Because the truth, my friends, is that the election system in India is already dead. If 15 seats were rigged, he would not be the Prime Minister of India.
Rahul also alleged that in one constituency alone, 1.5 lakh out of 6.5 lakh voters were fake.
When they give booth-wise paper versions of the voting list, that document cannot be scanned, it cannot be copied. Why would the Election Commission scan protect, copy protect the voter list? 6.5 lakh voters vote, and 1.5 lakh of those voters are fake.
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge backed Rahul Gandhi's claims, accusing the Election Commission of acting like a puppet of the Prime Minister.
कर्नाटक में हमारे सेंट्रल कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में एमपी का जो चुनाव हुआ, जिसके वोटर्स कैसे बदले गए, 10 बाय 10 के घर में रूम में अगर 90 लोगों का वोटर लिस्ट होता है और महाराष्ट्र में एक हॉस्टल में अगर 9000 वोटर्स होते हैं, क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन है? क्या ये कठपुतली मोदी जी की कठपुतली है?
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh fired back, daring Rahul Gandhi to stop issuing threats and submit proof of his atom bomb.
मैं राहुल जी से कहना चाहूंगा बहुत विनम्रता के साथ, अगर आपके पास सबूतों का एटम बम है तो उसका परीक्षण तुरंत कर डालिए. एटॉमिक टेस्ट तुरंत हो जाना चाहिए. मैं तो राहुल जी से यही कहूंगा कि जल्दी से जल्दी एटम बम फोड़ दीजिए.
Meanwhile, RJD's Tejaswi Yadav added his own twist, claiming his own name was missing from the updated voter list in Bihar.
यही है ना मेरा, ये एप्लीकेशन है, मेरा भी नहीं है. हम चुनाव कैसे लड़ेंगे? चुनाव लड़ने के लिए आपको बूथ वोटर बनना चाहिए, बिहार का वोटर होना चाहिए, तब जाकर के आप चुनाव लड़िएगा. जब मेरा नहीं है तो यही ताजुब लगेगी ना.
The Election Commission responded swiftly with a fact check. In a curious twist, the voter epic numbers read out by Tejaswi Yadav and listed by the Election Commission are different, claiming the JDU to accuse the RJD scion of fraud with 2 voter IDs.
आपने सरकार पर आरोप लगाया कि मैं चुनाव कैसे लड़ पाऊंगा, तो ये तेजस्वी प्रसाद यादव, पिता का नाम लालू प्रसाद, मकान संख्या 110, उम्र 36 साल, लिंग पुरुष, ये तो आप ही हैं.
तेजस्वी के पास 2 वोटर आई कार्ड था, आप तो वकील हैं, ये भी बताइए क्या ये कानूनन अपराध है?
अगर ये 2 है तो ये कानूनन अपराध है.
As allegations fly and tempers flare, the electoral system in the world's largest democracy remains in an unprecedented spotlight. With Rohit Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.